Hello friends, good morning. Now today continue the points of oxides of nitrogen. Previous lecture discuss about the three types of the oxides, that is N2O, NO and N2O3. Previous lecture discuss about the three types of the oxides N2O, NO and N2O3. So these three types of the oxide discuss about the previous lectures. Now, in the oxides of nitrogens are the six types. That is, first is N2O, NO, N2O3. Fourth is NO2. Fifth N2O4. Sixth N2O5. So these are the six types of the oxides of nitrogens, and that's why these are the name, formula, oxidation state of nitrogen, common method of preparation, and physical appearance and chemical nature. Physical appearance and chemical natures of the oxides. So these are the third types of the oxide, that is NO2, nitrogen dioxides and nitrogen 4 oxide. So these are the oxidation state is +4. That means nitrogen 4th oxides or nitrogen dioxide. So these are the four types of the oxide, that is NO2. So NO2 that include the one nitrogen and two oxygen. So oxidation state of center metal atom is +4. Oxidation state of center metal atom is +4. So name of the nitrogen dioxides or nitrogen oxides. In the common methods of preparations, lead nitride, lead NO2 twice in the presence of heating. So these molecules are break down to formations of the NO2, PPO, lead oxides, and oxygens are removed. And that physical appearance and chemical natures, that is brown gas and acidic reactive. So these compounds are the acidic in nature, acidic or reactive. So these are the different types of the points are discussed about you. First is that is oxides of nitrogens. Four types of the oxide, that is NO2, and that NO2, the name of this NO2 is nitrogen oxide, nitrogen dioxide or nitrogen oxide. The formula is NO2. Oxidation state of nitrogens in the NO2 molecules, that is +4. And in that common methods and preparations, lead nitrate twice, NO3 twice in the presence of heating to convert it into NO2. So these are the important part of the nitrous dioxide. Another molecules also form lead oxides or O2. In the physical appearance and chemical nature, so these are the NO2 is a brown gas, acidic in natures, and these NO2 are the more reactive. Why are the more reactive? Because in the presence of structures of NO2, so these are the minus and these are the plus. So plus are the electron deficiencies. That's why these are the more reactive of the NO2 molecules. Another is second types of the oxides, that is N2O4, dinitrogen tetraoxide, and another name also nitrogen tetraoxide, N2O4. Oxidation state is +4. In the oxides of nitrogen is N2O4, that oxidation state is +4. Dinitrogen tetraoxide or nitrogen oxide, that include the formula of N2O4. Dinitrogen tetraoxide is the name of these compounds, and that formula is N2O4. Oxidation state of nitrogens in the N2O4 is +4. Common methods and preparations, 2NO2. 2NO2 in the cold condition. 2NO2 in the cold condition. 2NO2 in the cool condition to convert it into N2O4, and that another is also heating. So these molecules are the breakdown and that formations of the NO2, and that natures, physical appearance and chemical natures, that is colorless solid. Those compounds are the colorless solid, liquid and acidic. So these compounds are the colorless solid. Also these are the liquid, that is N2O4 is liquid, and these are the acidic in nature. So these are the another methods of the preparations, that is a colorless solid, liquid and acidic in nature. So these are the 5 types of the oxides. Another oxide, that is dinitrogen pentoxide, that is N2O5. N2O5 oxidation state is +5. Oxidation state is +5 in the N2O5 oxides of nitrogen. So name of this dinitrogen pentoxide and nitrogen fifth oxide. The oxidation state is +5. And common methods of preparations: nitric acid react with P4O10 to convert it into SpO3 and 2 molecules of N2O5, and that physical appearance is colorless ionic solid, unstable, acidic in nature. So these are the 3 types of the oxides. Another total oxides of nitrogen is 6. So remaining previous lecture discussed about the 3 types of the oxides, and this remaining oxide, that is NO2, N2O4 and N2O5. So these are the another types of the oxides, and that's why these are the name, formula, oxidation state of nitrogen, common methods of preparation, physical appearance and chemical nature. So discuss about the 3 types of the oxides. So write down, continue the next point in this lecture. Now second, structures of oxides of nitrogen. Structures of oxides of nitrogen. You know about that. Oxides of nitrogen are the 6 types. Oxides of nitrogen. So these are the 6 types of the oxides. And that's why previous lecture discussed about the name, formula, structures, preparations, physical appearance. Now next another point, structures of oxides of nitrogen. So first is N2O. So N2O, these are the structures of N2O, dinitrogen oxide. So you know about that nitrogen is the trivalent. Nitrogen is the trivalent, but these are the present in the 5 valence shell electrons. So these nitrogens 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So these nitrogens also stable. So in these nitrogens and in these nitrogens present in the triple bond. That's why these are the oxygens. Another is, so these are the first structures of the N2O, means dinitrogen oxides. And that's why these are the nitrogens and oxygens, that nitrogen donate the electrons to formations of the bond of the oxygen. So these are the formations of the N2O structures. The remaining second types of the structures, NO. Second type of the structures, NO. Second types of the structures, NO, nitrogen double bond oxygens. Third types of the NO2. NO2, that means present in the 2 oxygens and 1 nitrogens. So nitrogens is the donate the electrons to the oxygen. That's why nitrogens present in the triple bond 1, 2, 3. So nitrogens are the trivalent. So these are the structures of NO2. Another is fourth, structures of N2O3. Structures of N2O3. So in this formula, 2 nitrogens are present and 3 oxygens are present. So 1, 2, 3, these are the trivalent, 1, 2, 3, 4. So these are the tetravalent that donate the lone pair of electrons, formations of the positive charge, and these are the minus charge. Another is fifth structures, that is N2O4. N2O4. So 2 nitrogens and 4 oxygens are present. That means, so these nitrogens are the plus formations of the positive charge, and these are the minus charge. So nitrogens and oxygens formations of the structures is N2O4 and last is N2O5. N2O5 means that presenting the 5 oxygens and 2 nitrogens. So nitrogens in these conditions are the tetravalent. You know about that nitrogens are the trivalent of tetravalent. So these are the discuss about the oxides of nitrogens and structures of oxides of nitrogens. So write down the short notes.